Applications can be developed for a range of different devices, with each device having its own characteristics and common uses. Desktops have a high performance and upgradable hardware, with a large screen and multi-window multitasking. It's ideal for productivity applications such as Microsoft Office and video editing, and it's often used for development tools, creative software, and desktop games, but it's less portable than laptops and tablets. However, it's great for long sessions and heavy-duty apps. Games consoles are purpose-built for gaming with optimized hardware. They typically support only apps from the console store. They include game-specific features such as controllers and haptics. They can run entertainment applications like Netflix and Spotify, and they prioritize graphics, speed, and performance over general productivity. Laptops are portable with relatively high processing power. They run full-featured desktop applications. They balance mobility and performance, which is good for both casual users and professionals. They're often used for communication, productivity, and creative software, and a rechargeable battery is included with wireless connectivity for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Smart speakers are voice-controlled devices, usually without a screen and with minimal buttons. They run audio-based applications such as music, reminders, and smart home controls. They rely on cloud-based AI, for example, Alexa and Google Assistant. They're limited to audio input and output apps, and they're often used for lifestyle, entertainment, and utility applications. Smart TVs have a built-in internet connection and app support. They're designed for media consumption apps like Netflix, YouTube, iPlayer, and Spotify. They're controlled by remote or voice and not ideal for complex inputs. They may include app stores, but these are limited to specific TV-friendly apps, and they increasingly include gaming and smart home integration. Smartphones are highly portable with a touchscreen interface. They support a huge range of apps across all categories from app stores. They're always connected with capabilities for Wi-Fi, mobile data, GPS, and Bluetooth. They include a built-in camera, sensors, and biometric input like face or fingerprint scanners, and they're ideal for communication, lifestyle, and social apps. Tablets have larger screens than a smartphone, but they're still portable. They have a touch-based interface which is great for media, reading, and drawing applications. They're good for education apps, reading ebooks, and watching videos. They have a limited keyboard input, but it can be paired with accessories. They're often used by children due to its intuitive use, but also by creatives and professionals. Virtual reality is fully immersive as the user is placed inside a simulated environment. Oculus Rift and PlayStation VR are examples. They require a headset, motion controllers, and sensors. They're used for VR games, virtual tours, and training simulations. They need apps designed for 3D interaction, and they require high-performance hardware for realistic experiences. Augmented reality overlays digital content on the real world via a camera or glasses. Pokemon Go is a good example. They may require sensors, but at least a camera and a display. Apps include navigation, gaming, learning, and maintenance tools. They run on smartphones or specialized AR glasses like HoloLens or Magic Leap, and they're often used in retail, for example, seeing a product in your own home, also for training and education. Mixed reality combines real and virtual worlds, enabling interaction with both. Examples include Apple Vision Pro and HoloLens 2. These are more advanced than augmented reality as digital objects appear to coexist with reality. It often requires advanced sensors, depth cameras, and spatial mapping. It's used in engineering, medicine, collaborative work, and design. And it supports complex mixed reality apps with real-world interaction.